So, the funny thing about learning and learning curves is that when you think you're taking room videos of two different cabins, and then you find out you got 2 seconds of the floor on the second cabin, is a learning curve. We had two cabins. One was a balcony cabin on deck 10, 792. The other was a solo balcony cabin on cabin 11, 742. So I was going to take room videos of both of those cabins. The one for the cabin on deck 10 didn't work. So I can tell you that the cabins are exactly the same. They are the same size. They are the same layout. Everything was the same. The only difference was the one cabin, the bathroom, the bed, and the couch were on the left wall, and the other cabin, they were on the right wall. And you will find that actually on many cruise ships, they alternate because they like to have the bathrooms back to back. And you will see that one cabin is on the left wall, the next cabin is on the right wall, and such like that. So that's not uncommon. But the cabins, even though they were technically two different categories, the balcony category and the solo balcony category, are exactly the same. So you are going to see the video from 11/7/42. Just picture everything on the right hand side. I'll include a picture of the bed on the right hand side in 10/7/92. And you will also see the bathroom and the balcony from 10/7/92. But again, they are exactly the same. So enjoy the little room tour, and off we go. So the room tour for the solo balcony and the balcony, as they are the same. You come in and you can see that the balcony is on the far end, and you have a couch which can become a twin bed, so that both these cabins slept 3 people, although the solo balcony cabin you can only have 1 person. You have the little desk area. There is no chair, but there was a little ottoman. And then you have your balcony. You can see here in New York, you dock right by the Intrepid. 2 chairs and a little table, a nice amount of room. There were 3 outlets, regular outlets by the desk, and there was also the European outlet. You have your TV, and then you also had by the beds on the lights a USB port on each side. One thing that is unusual on Norwegian is the closet is right next to the bed, and there's not tons of room to maneuver, especially if you have more than one person trying to maneuver. You have shelves and you have the safe, plenty of hangers, and room for shoes and whatever you might have on the bottom. There's also a shelf on each of the nightstands, and then here you can see the 2 lights as well as the USB ports on each side to charge phones. I used it for a noise machine, and there you go. And the beds were extremely comfortable. Here we have the bathroom. One thing you want to make sure you remember is that you step up to go into the bathroom. There's a shower gel and shampoo conditioner combo on the wall in the shower, and there's a liquid soap on the wall by the sink. But it was a nice sized bathroom, and shower was a little small, but it was a nice sized bathroom. And there again, just to remind you, you need to step up. That's what the bed looks like on the other wall. And then here are a couple pictures from the balcony.